Hi there, I'm Hao, and this is just another video of me solving random multiple problem. So we need to find the maximum average subarray, right? Um, Based on the k value. So if k is 4, then we need to find the average of 4 numbers. But we need to look at every 4 number in like the subarray, right? In the input array, right? And take the maximum average. Right? So in this case, this should be our maximum average. Okay, so um, we can use a sliding window approach to solve this, right? So we know that k is 4, so we can just take the first 4 number, right? And we iterate until um, we got to k minus 1, right? Because then the index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? The index is 0 base, right? So we can iterate until k minus 1. And we can keep track of the current sum, right? So the current sum is 1, right? And then plus 12 is 13, minus 5 is 8, right? And then minus 6 is 2, right? And we can also keep track of our max average, right? Uh, Set it equal to negative infinity initially. So we have the sum, right, of the subarray, right, of k elements, right? So to get the average, we can just divide it by k, right? Right, so 2 divided by 4 is 1.5. So we can update the max average to 0.5 here, right? Right. So as we iterate from index k to the end, right? To the end, um, we can just add the number we are currently looking at and subtract the number on the other end, minus 1. So in that case, we always look at 4 numbers, right? It is a sliding window, right? So we first look at this 4 number, right? So as we add 1 number on the right, we will subtract 1 number on the left, right? And what is this index? This index will be, let's say this is I, will be I minus k, right? Right. So our I is now is here. We can plus nums at I, which is 50, and minus nums at I minus k. So I is 4, minus k is 4, right? Index 0 is minus 1 here. We are looking at this for numbers, right? And this will give us let's say 51, I think. 51, right? And we can divide it by k, right? To get the average, right? And then compare with our max average and update accordingly. And then we can keep going, right? Next, we're gonna look at these 4 numbers, right? Our R is gonna be here, right? Right. So we're gonna plus 3 and minus this number, right? Which is I minus k. So 5 minus 4 is 1. The next one here, right? So that is our approach. So let's put this up. So we need a max average, right? Starting out at negative infinity. We can return it at the end. Right, so we need to iterate over every single number in the array, input array. So that is O n runtime. The space will just be constant. We have our current sum. So we're gonna iterate from I to equal to 0 to k minus 1, so less than k. So the first k numbers, right, gonna be the average. We can just set the max average equal to current sum divided by k. Now we're gonna iterate from k to the end of the input array, right? And we just have to set the current sum, right? We add the current number we are looking at and subtract uh, the numbers on the left side, right? Which is I minus k. Right. The current sum equals to current sum plus, minus the number on the left and add the number on the right. Minus the number at index I minus k and add the current number we're looking at to get the next sum, to get the next sum of k elements. And after that, we can update our max average. So the max average is gonna be between the max average and the next average, right? Which is current sum divided by, right? So that's pretty much it. Let's run that and work. Thank you for watching.